Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you what you need to do and check if you have noticed you are not receiving emails to your Gmail. So first of all, let's go to your Gmail, and you probably have heard that already, but double check your spam folder and double check your all mail folder. Sometimes Gmail just randomly filters your emails and they don't land to your inbox when they should, so always start by checking the spam and all mail. Now the next thing to do is to go and check your storage. Now Gmail is part of your entire Google account and all products are linked to your storage. So if you have run out of the space in your Google Drive, you also will not be able to receive any Gmails. So for example, you just filled up all your Google Photos, you backed them from your phone, your Drive, free allowance is 15 gigabytes and that's all taken. It also means that you will not be able to receive any more Gmails because that's just linked in all in one in your Google account. So if you come on Drive, you can see your storage, you see what you're currently using, what's left, you can see the percentages and amounts, how much is taken from your Google Drive, your photos and your Gmail. So if you come here and you see that you have storage and that's not the reason, let's head back to your Gmail and click on the settings, and then from the settings, see all settings. You should check your filters and blocked addresses if you have any filters, any blocks that doesn't let your emails to come in, and forwarding if you have forwarded your emails maybe accidentally somewhere. Also, if you are using any other client email apps, not Gmail, let's say on your phone, you need to make sure that this IMAPS access is enabled. So if you're using any other clients instead of Gmail to receive your Gmail emails too, make sure this option is enabled. Okay guys, I hope this was helpful. If so, do subscribe, click the like button, and I will see you in the next one.